For a second, I kind of forgot who I was for a second. You gotta remember, I got that remembrance now. I know who I am. Like, it's just a celebration. Hands up in the air. I just want the baddest in the world right here on my lips. Ah! Yeah.
Just copy the flex. They waiting on my new shit to drop. Where the fuck the toilet at? Sleeping on me crazy shit. Y'all thought I wasn't gon' double back. This life shit here amazing. I'm thanking God for where the fuck I'm at. Don't call if it ain't bout the rats. I don't fuck with all that chitter chat.
Hey, it's TG for short. Not the long way. I'm back with another one. Me, I'm super fly. Yeah. Prep with me. This vlog, we about to prep, get ready with me for classes. Today is Monday. It's August 18th. Today is Monday, August 18th. Classes start Wednesday, August 20th. Time to get cute, time to get ready, get in that mode. I'm already washing my bundles and stuff right now. I'm letting them deep soak and stuff. I'm about to get ready to wash my hair, take a shower, and then like blow dry it and braid it down. So tomorrow, all I gotta do is just sew in the bundles. Quick, easy, simple. I was supposed to bend and have that done today really because I wanted my hair to be done by Tuesday, but it's still gonna be done on Tuesday, so it'll be done by Tuesday. Let's not overthink it but yeah, my hair should have been done. Going into the final semester. I graduate in December. Come on, last first day. Gots to step. I was gonna buy something, go to the thrift store and remake and all that, but I end up talking to my mom. I forgot I end up having a big bag of stuff that my mom and my sister had gave me. Really, my mama had gave me a lot of stuff. I forgot I had the bag that my mama ended up giving me of like all this denim and different stuff she just was getting rid of. So I'm about to rework some hand-me-downs. Remake, reuse, recycle, baby. That's all I'm doing. This the re-upping. Yeah. By December, I'm gonna be a whole new woman. By December, I am gonna be a whole new woman. I got the tunes in the back too. I turned it down, but if you still hear it, you know the vibe. That's just the stuff too. I'm about to get cute. That's all I needed. I gotta get into that bag, get into that mode. Bitch gotta remember who the fuck she was for a second. I kind of forgot who I was for a second. You gotta remember, I got that remembrance now. I know who I am. What's tea? Get at me.
Bro, immediately and multiple episodes.
Give me your shorts.
Them have a basketball tournament. Are these like TikToks?
Cause you know I leave them bitches alone.
No pretty babies. If I get still one. Baby working, boy.
I ain't even know that was that.
We're going. Hell yeah. But that's not including the sandwich and the drink.
Never lose that Wednesday.
Lose what?
The ability to not let others define you. It's a gift.
Doesn't always feel that way.
The most interesting plants grow in the shade.
It's the day of classes. I'm literally rushing to do my lashes. I gotta be to class at 9. It's like 8:40 right now. I don't know why I do this to myself, but we progress. It's the first day of classes and I'm late. Wouldn't be me, would it? I'm at work. I feel like I look so rough. Like, my hair is just pulled up, but I still feel like I look so rough. At work, ready to go. I am the work, I am the brand. Ready to see how good it can get.
Most people spend their entire lives pretending to give 0 Fs, and you've literally never had an F to give.
Right now, currently, I am at work. And this is too considered my internship because I don't ever know if I ever said that on the vlog. I'm on a 15. I'm eating like it's my lunch. I'm chilling, big and back bulling, how I bull. That's really that. Work is working. I'm ready to be off. I need to do my hair tonight. And I'm going to go ahead and find me something to wear tonight for classes tomorrow because I realized I did not do that. And plus I want to take me some pictures because I know next week I'm gonna probably do me like a week dump or something. You know, everybody was doing the last day, all this stuff, and it is my last semester and I really want to capture that. And usually I take pictures and stuff like that, but yesterday I ain't take no pictures. Today is Thursday the 21st. I also too, my classes dropped yesterday. That's why I never even popped in yesterday. I didn't even get on that. I never popped back in the vlog yesterday because come to find out, all my classes was dropped. All my classes ended up getting dropped, so I had to re-register, but I ended up re-registering today, and I got that situated and handled, thankfully, by the grace of God. Oh, when he do it, I am blessed and highly favored. Thank you, God. Yes, this is your girl last semester. She finishing out with a bang. We won that. I'm in there. I'm getting to the pape, celebrating me. I'm about to be on wheels too. No more getting rides, borrowing people's car, all that. Like, your girl is off to better things. Only doing things that's gonna make me elevate, period. Staying positive. Yesterday I was so down, but today I feel so good. I love that. I love that. Yesterday I got a little down after that. I was having a good day, but you know, that registration when my classes dropped, that shit blew me. I can't even lie. Can't even lie. Bitch talking about blue, red, green, honey. I was black. I was mad as shit. But anyways, yeah, that's besides the point. About to run. I'm getting my big back out with my personal trainer. The big lake. Look how big. Oh my God.
Reciprocate the energy that you produce for me. Learn.
Apparel, retail.
I just left my second class and I already in my second, as soon as I got to my second class, I sat down. I was only in there for probably about not even a good 5 minutes. She ended class early. Mind you, I just found parking. It took me 15 minutes to find parking. And I'm parked somewhere I don't need to be. Thank you. I'm parked somewhere that I don't need to be. And I need to get my car. Oh, thank God the car is still there, no towing. But yeah, I was in some little visitor parking. I think you gotta have a tag. I didn't care. I could not find parking. And it's sad. And it should be illegal. It's the next day. It's currently Thursday. I don't have classes on Thursday. I never filled in. But I got music playing in the background too. I just got out the shower and stuff and just got ready for the day. But maintenance about to come fix the hole on the wall. With the people to come in, close the hole. Then maintenance will come, I guess, to do the rest. I don't know. But maintenance is about to get done today for the ceiling. I never update on the ceiling. Started from a small issue to something bigger. But yeah, I'm gonna show my little cute little set. This is cute. My sister gave this to me. Look kind of cute on me. Body is body.
Hey, what do you want? I'll go order for us.
Outfit of the day, Pandora and the commercials. She get money, body tea, skin tea, getting with me. Yeah. Just got out of my second class. I got a class at 12. I'm about to go home and eat. I'm hungry. One more class. All my classes are 50 minutes. Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and I got one online class. About to go stuff my face. That's just such a nice area. Like, I could see me right in it. Yeah. This is me and my girl Brisky was meeting up. There go Brisky. Brisky. On my way to class, my 9 o'clock class. I'm definitely late. Not too late, like 10 minutes late. But I'm showing up. That's all that matters. Feel good, look good, smell good. Today's gonna be a great day. I work later tonight. But I will be putting in my 2 weeks notice as well. Well, really it's like a 3 week notice because I'm gonna stay private for these last 3 weeks. But anyways, that's besides the point. It's time for better, bigger, broader, more money. Just walking the green now. I'm done with classes for today. I did not go to my last class. I really was not in the mood and I had some things that I had to do anyway. Yeah, in due time. Plus that teacher, I'm really not feeling. The vibes are just not vibing with her. She got a smart mouth in an email. The emails just really come off real smart and stuff when I didn't email her personally. But anyways, that's besides the point. I do have work tonight. I'm also putting in I got my girl Ava in the back too as well. Also putting in my 2 weeks notice tonight too at this job because bigger and better has risen. Bigger and better has risen. So it's time to go after that. Yeah, I had to pop in and say that.
You are exactly who you think you are in real life. And if you post, you're that on the internet too. You are exactly who you think you are. The only person that is denying yourself the opportunity to experience you in your fullness is you, my love. Is you. Is your perception of self. You got it all.
Hey, y'all, hey. Hey. Okay. These last little few days been good. Can't even lie. This is editing Ty popping in. I'm done with classes. I done got comfortable all lounge. I'm about to get ready to go to work in a little. Yeah, what was I about to say? I popped in yesterday. It is the next day. I did have classes today. I didn't film anything with my classes. It was really just straight to the point. I was late this morning, per usual. And then I did have my second class. I didn't have my third class. We just have a quiz tonight. Fridays, we typically don't have classes. We have like an activity or something. And then my second class, I had a quiz I had a in-person quiz. It's just on the computer though, but it was in person. I guess we just showing up for attendance, but I don't really know. Because sometimes it's online. It like go back and forth. I don't know. This vlog, it consists of a lot of ebbs and flows, ups and downs. Life still lifing. Hoes still mad. And I got all my hours for my internship, too. That's another thing I need to say. I got all my hours for my internship. Your girl is on to bigger and better. Okay? 3 months until I graduate. Tomorrow makes 3 months until I graduate. September 13th makes 3 months until I graduate. Oh, we got to do it big. I told myself I'm going out tonight. I'm going to vlog that because I really want to go out tonight, start celebrating, doing that, like, balance. That work and play, like, balancing the two because I'm always just so serious. I'm school, homework, school, homework, school, homework, school, homework, just in the same little cycle. And it's like, girl, go out. I go out every once in a while. The last time I was actually somewhere was probably, like, in maybe June, I believe. It's currently September. I think the last time I actually went somewhere, and that was with my sissy, I believe. Yes, that was, I believe, in June, sometime in June, beginning of June. But yeah, that's sick. And then the last time before that was January. So it's always these big, long stretches. And it's like, girl, I'm young. I need to live. I handle my responsibilities. I do what I need to do. Girl, have some fun. And it's my last semester. Oh, yeah, baby. I'm celebrating until then and after. Like, it's just a celebration. Hands up in the air. I just want the baddest in the world right here on my lip. Ah! Yeah. I'm getting beside myself. But, yes. I'm really proud of myself. Patting myself on the back. I'm doing what I need to do. I just know it's about to get greater later. It was chaotic this semester. I'm telling you, it ain't been easy. It came in swinging, like registration with my classes, all that, but everything fixed. Everything is handled. Honey, I am God's favorite. I am wrapped. My angels got me popping my collar, popping my collar, popping my collar. My angels got me right now.
Bow, they're grabbing on my shirt. They're grabbing.
Okay, but yeah, I'm about to go. For real. I'll be back with another one. It's a whole lot of peace, love, and dopeness.
Just copy the flex. They waiting on my new shit to drop. Where the fuck the toilet at? Sleeping on me crazy shit. Y'all thought I wasn't gon' double back. This life shit here amazing. I'm thanking God for where the fuck I'm at. Don't call if it ain't bout the rats. I don't fuck with all that chitter chat.